all day, but hey, how y'all doing? This is, your boy Nardo Nation. Subscribe, like to the channel, feel me? I got hella content, come on now. We finna get some good shit in here today. Got a little comment to go to, so we finna hit that up real quick. If I sound sick, I apologize, but I am not sick. I just got a little respiratory infection in my lungs, you feel me? So, I've just been coughing and shit, but I am not sick, I'm okay, I'm fine. Hey, I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get to the meet. Well, shit, we just not pulling up, and I already see some cars out there. What the hell? And damn, police, Bucky, crowded as hell. Let's see what this shit gonna be like, though. Feel like they gonna be a pretty decent meet, oh God. See what they talking about. How the fuck am I supposed to put in here like this? Man, we here early as hell though. What? Shit started at 1 o'clock. You never come on time because you always gonna be late as hell. Shit, we at the meeting, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah, we right. Sounds so good, bro. Sounds so damn good. That shit popping shit, but I gotta give you a mirror. I ain't even gonna lie to you. What we got out here? Mustang. Oh yeah, this finna be right. Oh God, this me finna be too right. The boy Miles over there, he ain't been out in a while. I ain't gonna lie to you, that mirror hard in here. That shit sound good. What's up? What it do? I'm so wet. Oh man, this shit finna be right. Man, I'm not missing this. That shit good as hell, but them wheels nice. Oh. That be hard. Go ahead and shout them out. You see the YouTube? I gotta get mine too, but oh my goodness. Yeah, this is gonna be the right one. Oh, look at this stand. What's up?
What up, dog?
Oh yeah, you was at the last one. The last one.
Yeah.
So you doing them burnouts?
Yeah. Trying to dog down so I get a cat.
This right here, nice. This too nice.
Yeah, my door.
This shit running. Time out. Hell, hey, where you going? Listen to that shit. Oh my goodness, what the fuck? I know this was running. I know they were going hell, boy.
That's what took us so long.
Hell. You still got knives in here?
Hey, yeah, it's on the other side.
Hell.
Wide over here. I see so wide over here.
Oh yeah, don't. It's beat up right now. I gotta fix it up. Yeah.
Wide over here.
Oh yeah. Me out the boy going crazy out here. Them come here going crazy out here. You feel me? Delicious. You feel me? Hard shit. Nothing but hard shit. Now I don't know. I don't know for a fact. Go ahead. Yes, sir. Hell, my shit ain't never loud, man. I be hating, man. Oh shit, this shit loud as hell. Uh-oh. We getting pulled over today. Uh-oh. That shit's so loud. Pulled over, I ain't even gonna lie, I already see it, but police gonna say some shit. What the was that? You got it! That nigga got two-step on his I'm in the back like always, let go get my content in. Let go. In the back like always get my content in, bro, let go. Hey, once again, this is GTA Roleplay, you feel me? VR edition. This nigga crazy, what? This be hit hard, this be hit so hard. Oh, shit! Oh, what it do? Yeah? She tried to get him man number. Let go. Somebody get that man number on weed. Good ass content. Oh God, this shit just started, fam. What the fuck is that? Damn, man. Oh, this gonna be a good one. This gonna be a good one, bro. Yes, sir. I know you saw that. I know you saw the 911 Porsche. Yes, sir. They getting away from me. They are really getting away from me. Falling off this bitch. Imagine jumping off this. Oh my God, what the fuck? That is a hell of a view. That is some serious deal, like real deal shit. What the fuck am I gonna park at? I can't park this shit right here. I can't even park. Hey, I'm gonna come around. I gotta park somewhere else. I can probably make it right here. Yes, sir. Well, that content right there. Yep, they getting dirty today. Some content real quick, see if we gonna pull off. So he hit it enough. He hit it enough, that was satisfied. Look like we all finna get it. Look like we all finna get it, and I hope I don't scrape. boy Mustang pushing about 800 horsepower, bro. Look at that, boy. It look like Fords out there, mug. Oh, God. Damn, somebody straight. Nope. That's fucking Pops. Damn, we accidentally left their ass behind. Damn, hey, that red one pushing it though.